That baby is too savvy for that man to be living a careless life. She is too aware for that man to be careless. That baby is going to be her father's daughter. She is too prime and savvy to poverty and carelessness. She can identify when that baby should be a careless little baby. And when I say so, I mean enjoy children stuff. She enjoy adult stuff. I'm not asking, I'm telling you. Mm. Yeah, we Koolie and the girl. Let me tell you something, mother-in-law. He's a careless woman. As big and as old and as under the gospel as you say. You're so good with the Bible in your hand. Me not ask you. He's a big dirty careless Christian bitch. Me not ask you, my love. It's true. I never take up Koolie. I could have never take up Koolie. That's me glad. I could have never take up Koolie and say, you know, me like that boy, and me and that boy. I could have never take up Koolie. For after the worthless, careless body ball eagle in my own swirl. Eh? And me have to go look all work the Koolie. Plus me have to go sit and teach Koolie the Queen's language. And too much work that for a big man. Whenever they dip on TikTok and study. And too much work that. And when you talk the truth, the plain truth and nothing but the truth, people say you're unfair. Alright. You see, as it relates to Jakes and Rosalie, somebody said something to me today. You understand me? Them say, Shebada, Jakes might mean good for the kids, but it doesn't matter now where you shape or form. And this is how me I try to get into Jake's head. It is not that you have intention. It's not that we're saying that you have intention of going back. We're stating that. Me and you're not idiot. Me talk so you know how to get underneath your baby mother's skin and you show me. So, me and an idiot and you and a fool. What we are talking about is this, and basic understanding would tell you this, that you know the individual and you know the type of individual that she is, and for such, you alone can get underneath her skin. We see it from a distance, and we're saying that you're getting very complacent, and each time you do this, it always ricochets negatively on you. That's all we're saying. Now, to the public, how you dealt with Ivani, it was off. It was very off. How you deal with Ivan is exactly how you deal with your gifters. Indirectly. You get what I say? Because if somebody out here really a gift you, and then can see what Ivan you say, and then you reply in such a manner, you diss them also. You understand? If you understand what I say, now your baby mother, she came on the app afterwards, and she made claims as if you reached out to her. You wanted this. And my question is, I heard a story and you came, Mr. Jakes, and defute the story by stating that with some people get the argument for about live under one roof. Fine. Fine, you know. Living under one roof. I Rosalie come up with a co-parenting thing, you know. So one I will not tell lie in this. One I will not tell lie in this. I spoke about the co-parenting earlier on in the week. You put up a defense against it, Jakes. Only for Rosalie came back and talked, say, you need her. And you need her to be in the kid's life. She's already in the kid's life. She gave birth to them. So you see, it just now makes sense. So it's like you're straddling the fence. Right? It's just the truth, Father Jakes. No disrespect. It's just the truth. Remember, baby mother and baby father can't live. You see, in a phone case, baby mother and baby father cannot live. You get what I say? And oh yes, you're gonna miss your baby mother. Now if she had dog germs or drunk crow, you share along with her, then you share with us. You're used to her than how you're used to we. You understand me? So it can be no different. And if Rosalie even set it up, Jakes fell for it. And not because he was sidetracked. It's because he want to. So you see, you have to take some form of accountability, Bald Eagle. You have to. Jakes, let me tell you something. Now, here, what you hear me talking of Father Jakes, I understand a relationship where fall apart and I make up back. I understand that. The key what you hear talk. However, what I spoke about is for you to pay the kids them more attention and give them a better experience and be a better father in trying to be a better baby father, trying to be a better boyfriend, be a better father to the kids. James, let me tell you something. You see, if people bash you, don't say nothing. Take accountability. Don't follow the people who may say, I'm baby father, I'm baby mother, so I'm off it up. Nobody never say for malice the bitch. Nobody never say for malice the bitch. Because we know the communication have to make. Nobody never say malice the bitch. However, when the bitch speaks, she speaks as if you want her back. I have my man. And Jake's have him woman. You understand me? But he wants us to be, yeah, everybody had the co-parenting living under one roof. You have two things to say to the father, James. Everybody we had the co-parenting living under one roof. I mean, I have two things to say to you. It's either Rosalie set you up, or this is what you want. And you confirm to the rumors out there we say you and Rosalie are work on this for the house finish. Alright, so after the house finish, the rumor have it out there, you know. Alright, no, Jace. You know, make it any better, you know. But listen. So why after the rumor, Rosalie say you want co-parents? You want co-parenting? You say, oh, you can make it look sketchy, Jake. You have to reason out the thing, Father Jakes. You're not working good, Father Jakes. You're not working it good. Marking that there's a rumor out there before and I stated that you and Rosalie are work on the gift as them to get the house done so she can live in it. Alright. Remember the compound that happened and said, one birdie tell me say, me ear pan the ghetto grapevine say, Rosalie I call Jakes wanting to have back Jakes in her life, you know, for the children's sake. Mark, you know. Then afterwards, she said, you're a lion. Thank you, Akeem wife. Come here. Jakes, you give it the script. God know. Ivan said something, you name up Ivan. You get casted, right? So you have to name up Ivani. Alright then. Rosalie gonna come and state that out her mouth. Everything I turn pan you, Father Jakes. You, everything I come back down pan. You're not here. You, every single thing I come back down pan. You never know. Because somebody said to me, saying, it is not like, and they were stating a defense for you. But I understand what they are doing. But we have to make them understand the possibility of the audience and what the audience are saying. Because one of the things that are so sketchy, she came with pumps and prime. Is that Rosalie, why if you done it, I should know why you done the host. Because Rosalie keeps sending out messages. You understand me? Like you are run back a hard in a private. And that the audience are tap out. So now key when you come up and say, you're not, deny the fact, say, Rosalie stated that you called her. You understand me? I'm gonna sit down for 3 hours talking about the kids. We don't need to talk about the kids for 3 hours. We don't have them long time. The phone of nastiness. A phone of nastiness and dirty behavior make the people them get take away. We don't have 3 hours to sit and talk. We can't tell me say we're go in front of somebody and we make a decision that we're going to change. You understand me? It doesn't take a decision and it doesn't take a structure to grow the children. It takes you and Rosalie to be good parents. And only no good parenting. So me no know all 3 hours of discussion can make on decide at 12 years on a day, on have how much hours of discussion and not never come up profitable. And this is just the truth. So the lady keep painting your Jakes in a bad light. She keep letting you look like how you want this shit more than anything else. At the part that puzzling to me. So and I knock people really and knock your father Jakes. It's just that everything I got left. Bread wagwan. Everything I got left, Father Jakes. Father Jakes, you know what me say? I nah cuss you. I nah cuss your Father Jakes, cause I don't apologize to you. I nah cuss you. Cause I don't apologize to you. I will leave the audience to do that. Cause me no want to go back down the road of apology again. Because me want you know say when I apologize to you, I meant every word. So me I try my hardest not to say a word. You know, out of the way, but some of the things them hurt me. I want to call your name to Miss Marcia. Some of the things them hurt me. God believe me. Jake's the truth. Some of the things them hurt me. Hurt me. Don't she say she want the same thing too for the kids? So obviously she's telling us that Jake's reached out to her. Me tell you, Jakes, me, Jakes, me I try me hardest. Don't say nothing bad boy, yo. God know me I try. For sure, me I try my hardest. Don't say nothing bad boy, yo. Because sometimes some things hurt me and I say pink. For sure, sometimes some things hurt me because I blamed you in the past for no reason at all. And only if you come make an answer yourself, Father Jakes, you can't do that. See, Jakes led me to believe little of what Rosalie is saying. Because Jake should have make Rosalie get supervised visit while him have the kids. Jake should have let Rosalie get supervised visit. That's one of the big mistakes where Jakes make in every single thing. That's why people are gonna nyam him up. And it's true, that's why me, Father Jakes, I have nothing to say. Me not even want to say something bad out of my mouth. You should have allowed Rosalie to obtain supervised visit. Supervised visitation. Me respect Jakes. I respect Jakes. Me never telling a lie. But God know in the tip. It's when Ivan expressed herself the way she did. You know me couldn't do it like Ivan, but I wanted to. But me couldn't do it like Ivan because you see, once me start, Father Jakes, I got feel it without understanding. God believe me. So you know me though? You see, because Jakes is a cool brother in my side. And I really did wrong for misjudge him. Me I try my hardest, my baby, not to say anything bad about the youth. Not to say anything bad. But it hurt me. And when me tell you say it hurt me. For sure. It hurt me. This coming like the girl them are going in a relationship and the man walk out, leave them. For sure, and you invest. Because you know that you want to see somebody win. You know when you want to see your brother win. Ella, it is nice to see a man where a woman hold on so long, rise to the top. You know what motivation it gives to others? Only for witnessing retrograde. Me now ask you, I am happy for Jakes. Me telling that every day. Me happy for the fact that Jason I feel lay with nobody liquor. That's one of the things they were in a ghetto. Sometimes you beg a man by your split. Sometimes your brethren them not even want smoke beside you. Cause them no want share it. Nothing wrong with your mouth now, your hygiene. Them just no want share them split because of them one spliff. Sometimes you want one cigarette and you can't afford it. So when you see say you're dropping a level of independence, me feel happy for Jesus, God no. Honestly to God, me feel happy for him. And for such, me no want him go back to slavery. At 12 years of slavery, Jakes do, and he missed the chains. He missed the sound of the chains beating on his feet and his hands. That was your music. Each time you walk, it keep you comfortable and well entertained. It's true. And it's going to disappoint a lot of persons publicly and privately. And you see, that's what I always start with, you know. Are we ready for a change? Why are we going to therapy? Why we go therapy? When we're not ready for change. Me never said this morning, again, never say it. If you're not ready for left your man, don't search him phone. And for the man who not ready for left them woman, please don't come on the internet with it. Honestly. Una lost, una morals, una not even feel shame. When me a little girl, you know what make you that feel shame as a little girl? If you know say you and somebody cuss and you go back to big friend first. It was always a competition. Who can hold malice the longest? And I'm going to say this, James. You see, when we say malice, baby mother, me I'll tell you the truth. We have a right to say malice, baby mother. Because not even dog should I live like Uno to all Uno live. Me now ask you, when me say malice, baby mother, me stand by where me say. Cause not even dog I live like oh Uno did I live. And it's just the truth. You know, even say, me wouldn't even want Uno parent drunk, bro. I remember the stigma that Maya say is an abuser and Rosalie is a psychopath. Cause remember she cut fear on herself. So you see, if you display these type of behavior in front of a picnic, you have a psychopath and an abuser. Me now ask you, you need somebody where you can learn from. You need somebody to show you, Jakes, the error of your mistake for 12 years. You never know. And I thought you were enjoying it. But I guess you're Lot's wife. Yeah, look back. I'm not asking you. See the little girl there? She dip on the internet a vape. If she a vape, she a drink. Me not ask you. If she's vaping, she's drinking. Then you can imagine how much time she take up Rosalie's cigarette about them, the unfinished ones. Then you can imagine how much time she smoke a cigarette for herself. Because the vaping come off good for her. She a cough like, I'm not used to this. Child, you know you're used to. Miss Jacob said, Rosa gonna take Jakes off the app. It's true. It's true. And the toys, me always start this. First time they used to say, you can know one room picnic. We forget those Jamaican little phrases. You can know one room picnic. Why them say so? Why them say you can know one room picnic? How me no want to say it, you know? Someone want to say if somebody is a band Jamaican. Why them say so? Somebody say them start sex early, go out early. Exactly because of their behavior. True or false? Because of their behavior, you say you can know one who pity. Then when things we side away from that, when things we side away from that truth there, eh? So the expect Chantal did in the house to study and I need the lamp. I'm telling you, and these are the type of parents we have a lot to say when you talk. Just like Koolie. Notice Rosalie say, this is what I want for my kids. My kids come first, and CD took them before you. My kids come first and CD grab them from you. CD grab them from you. Alright now. Look at Koolie. When people come down upon him and talk, when me help she with her homework and when she do her homework and anything for school, I don't post that, I don't showcase that. You don't showcase it because you can't wait for the little girl come for turn on your live. What time you get for the homework with she? And I never see she all a book yet. You can know baby we love book. You can know baby we groom to book. You can know babies with culture in a book. Me now ask you. You can know babies. Whatever you give the baby and that, whatever you give them to keep them comfortable like that, they are going to parade with. Me now ask you, so you could never give her book. That child should be watching Cocomelon. And it's just the truth. We not damage the picnic them. We not damage the picnic them. That's why the picnic them group, them want big man out there with money. Because of all them culture. You can know a baby. Let me tell you something. And I'm going to say this. And you're not going to realize how much it's going to affect on a picnic. I'm going to say this. You see the baby when named Shay? She know her father broke and he's a beggar. She knows daddy don't work. This much on don't know about kids. You see when a child parents have money, they behave a particular way because they know them drop into luxury. Them don't know about wants and them don't know about needs. Oh, they never know that yet. You see a picnic, we're born in a poverty, tends to be forced right if you give them an opportunity in an adulthood. Them tend to be forced right. You never know. They have understanding of if them can say, Daddy, you have the money, you broke. They understand that, and this much pressure will put on kids. And for such we have so much criminals and prostitutes leaving schools. That baby is too savvy for that man to be living a careless life. She is too aware for that man to be careless. You never know that. She's going to be her father's daughter. She is too prime and savvy to poverty and carelessness. She can identify when that baby should be a careless little baby. And when I say so, I mean enjoy children stuff. She enjoy adult stuff. I'm not asking, I'm telling you. And a prime that it is distasteful. And because she's a child, everybody else say, adult must not speak on it. But who is going to correct a child? Who is going to correct a child? Is it a child going to correct a child? You go prime your book. When you speak on the child, everybody say, it's a baby, it's a baby. But who is going to correct the baby? Is it a baby going to correct the baby? You're correcting the child through the father. If you don't speak about the child, the father now gonna get the message. The father is the adult in the relationship there. And people speak about the child as if the father will pay some attention to their speech as it relates to his daughter. She's an adult. She's a baby adult. And when you see the comment section and that's all they live for, them are real female in the comment section. Not that you're doing a good job. It's just that everybody in the comment section is as careless and blind as you. It's just the truth. That's a baby. That's a baby. Sometimes when they take at the stoplight, you see the little people them at the stoplight. I beg after hours, after night, after 9. I beg at the stoplight. So oh savvy them pick me a bit. When you see some pick me a beg at the stoplight, they know that if a man approach them and say, "Let me touch you for your thing," them are gonna say yes. That is why they are out there at the stoplight. You know what you say? Them leave from them community. They know them nowhere near them community. Oh, you have these young babies after hours outside. What kind of prime minister we having in the country? Sometimes I sit down so and I say, mighty God of Daniel, it's a baby. When we stop and them say, Shebada, I'll tell you something. I say, I don't have it. I will not have it. I'm not giving it. Me not give no little pitney where I beg a stop like my money. Me not do it. Me not take up my money and see you as a child should be in your bed. Where are your parents? Me not take up my money and give them. No discover me, I encourage them to stay outside that field. Cause me leave all my picnic with Smaddy and they're foreign and just get all my papers and come see my little boy a stoplight and beg. I beg. Me not even know what me that do. Me not even know what me that do. God believe me. Go see my child that beg. No, girl, I see you something this. That's me tell you say. Me don't know how some man breed. Cause me couldn't come on the app and know say I have a little girl there, so or a little boy there, so I mean come on the app and sit down and just a bake, so me too no man. Me have to beg when me pick me asleep. And stop when them get mature. Me couldn't do it. I will tell you that I can't breathe look how much time I am them. And true me not bring no more than half dozen. The government for lock up them little pretty until them parents find them. You catch the parents. Me not lie. You have your baby. I will see it every day. I will normalize all these things. Don't get the kids involved. Don't if you don't get the kids involved, the parents are gonna send them down the stoplight. If you notice a peer little girl in a should in a school out in a dance hall and take big cocky. We not talk. We never go in a dance hall and them school girl with them dress pan and they go and function them older than me and you. You never know that? You never know that dog. You don't know Jamaica run. Every schoolboy each up a dance hall. Check every party. Every schoolboy each up a dance hall a beat liquor. Me not ask you. Tell me I tell you. So all the years some of them on the upper talk. Make summer come. A peer teenager out a road in a party. And them are back to school September. Them go back to teacher junk. A peer big woman and big man. Yeah. These high school kids at them pack up party. Them school girl ya walk a suck rifle out of underpants. Me not ask you know. Them a suck rifle out of underpants. Them a use them teeth a draw down zip. I'm not asking, I'm telling you guys. But when people talk, these are the ones who go in the comment section and say a shit yeah chat because they are the ones doing it. Just like how everybody come up and say, Jakes wanting baby mother, allow the man alone. They are the ones who were telling Jakes to come off of the app from day one and want Rosalie alone for real and have the man under bandage. And everybody will real in the comment section mean you good a set up. Yeah, you can feel the cold front up from the night I get nippy. I feel something nippy passing my womb.